Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep and welcome to another episode of cooking. So in our today's vlog, we are going to make Njahi Mukimo. So here is my boiled Njahi. And then we have 3 green bananas which I've peeled. And then we have ripe 3 bananas. And then I have some tomatoes, onions and carrots, and here we are going to cook some beef stew. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to start by boiling our green bananas. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are in road to 1K subscribers. So this is my bananas, my green bananas. I've cut into small pieces. Then I'm going to boil them first. So here is my boiled green bananas with the Njahi, and here is our ripe bananas chopped into small pieces. So what we are going to do, we are going to add our ripe bananas to our mixture. Excuse me. So this is our stew. I've already put some cooking oil and onions. So what I'm going to put next, I'm going to put some carrots. And then I add some tomatoes. So the remaining onions, we are going to fry our mukimo. So let's leave our tomatoes to cook. So here I'm going to fry my mukimo. So I'm putting some onions. So I'm going to leave my onions to cook for a while. So our onions are ready. So what we are going to do, we are going to add our mukimo. So our mukimo too is ready. So let's get our supper ready. So guys, this is the end result. This is our Njahi mukimo and some stew. So we have come to the end of the video. See you on the next one. Bye. So this is our stew and this is our mukimo, Njahi mukimo, mixed with green bananas and ripe bananas.